Hi friends, this is Lindsay. Today is preparation day for my 40-day juice fast. So definitely feeling some resistance this morning when I got up, just some fears of what if I can't do this? What if I'm not strong enough to hang in there? What if I fail? What if I'm sick the whole time and it's a miserable experience? Day 2 of the 40-day juice fast. I only got about a quart and a half in by 1:30, and that's not it. Day 6, this might be a challenging day. I have a really bad attitude. This is the 14th day of the juice fast. Today, I finally got to the store and got all the greens, and I made this. And I take back all the complaining that I did on day 12. This is so good for you. And so, a little update. This is my, 7th juice. Bring lots of money if you have to juice up the airport. Good morning, friends. This is day 22. Yesterday and this morning, I've had a ton of anxiety. This day 23 update. Yesterday was really difficult. I was pretty sick, pretty nauseous, had a pretty bad headache, and just felt generally more of like an out-of-body sort of feeling. I just prayed for a minute, and I just felt like all the things that I've been striving for lately, just like release all of that striving, and I could finally just let go of everything. It was really an interesting, sweet, relieving experience just to let go of all the pressures that I had on myself. And shortly after that, I released mucoid plaque. So that was amazing. Day 26. I am so glad I started on the 1st of the month so that I can just keep track easier. I'm feeling much better today, by the way. How are you guys feeling? I hope you're doing well. My family is pretty done with this, I think. Not that they have to do anything, but I think that they want me to be done with this. So, I don't know. I'm kind of thinking maybe calling it at day 30. Maybe I've gotten what I need to out of it. So, what do you guys think? I feel like I'd be okay with it. I mean, 40 was the goal, but I think it's just a number. This is day 25 of my juice fast, and I am just so tired of feeling, and I just need to eat my favorite foods. So I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna eat so great. My rice noodles. Oh yeah, with peanut sauce. So good. Yeah. It's kind of hard to eat, but loving them. So I'm gonna just make myself a salad, and I'm just gonna eat it. I know it's got fiber, but I mean, girls gotta do what a girl's gotta do. Amazing, so crunchy. My daughter and I, we're gonna go to the movies later, and I'm probably gonna get some buttery popcorn, and I'm gonna enjoy that so much. And in fact, I'm gonna enjoy it right now because, why not? Best popcorn ever. And there will be times when you just want to quit and you want to give in to all the resistance because it kind of piles up. And I want to talk to you about what to do on the days that you are done. This is day 29 of my juice fast. Today, I have no problems with that food being in front of me right now. The trick to overcoming cravings is to flood your system with nutrients. Hi everybody, this is day 35 of my juice fast, and I just wanted to talk about hydration for the summer and to give you 2 bonus, delicious, do-it-yourself electrolyte drinks you can make for you and your family at home. Be sure to be winners. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and I'm just so thankful to be alive. Got my green juice. I know that I would not feel this way if I hadn't made this decision 37 days ago to make these changes and to start on a different path for my life. So
just thankful. I'm grateful for this experience, this opportunity, and whatever is in store.